Okay, welcome back everybody. So today is one of the most requested videos I've gotten on my channel through the years. So before you do anything, please watch this till the end. Do not try to take this upon yourself in the middle of it. You absolutely have to watch to the end. Plus, I'm going to throw in a little bonus that almost none of the mechanics out there will tell you. So please watch to the end. So today, what we're going to be talking about is when your headlight runs out of headlight fluid and you need to replace it. So I've got an old school headlight because they're actually harder. So that's what I want to show you. You can see if you kind of look at the bottom of the headlight, there's no fluid in it. This is plugged in directly to the battery and it does not turn on. So let me show you how you fix this. And like I said before, I'm actually going to show you a bonus tip. For those of you who love the look of those blue lights that you see from other cars, I'm going to show you how to get that as well. So first thing you need to do is you need to drill a hole in the headlight. Now most headlights today are plastic, and this is a much easier procedure than doing it in a glass headlight. I do recommend you use a carbide tipped drill bit, and I recommend you start with smaller drill bits and work your way up to one big enough to put a funnel in. So once you get the hole drilled in it, then what you need to do is just toss a funnel in it, because it's really hard to get the headlight fluid in such a small hole. So I've got a funnel in mine. I picked this up on Amazon. There's a link in the description. Any maker model, LED, halogen, tiki torches, and you can see this is good stuff. Blind squirrels, crossing guards, everything. Make sure you follow the instructions on the back though. And you can see how fast this is. So once you start refilling the headlight fluid in your headlight, it doesn't take long at all before the headlight will actually power up and come on. There you go. So that's all it takes. And it might, as you're gradually filling it up, it might kind of flicker a little bit, but eventually you'll get the headlight come on, and now you're good to go. But I told you that if you stayed with me, I was going to show you a trick. So you wonder how people get those blue looking headlights on the road that are kind of cool looking in my opinion? It's just blue food coloring. So look at this, I've got some blue gel food coloring. I'm going to put it in the headlight fluid. The headlight fluid by default is just clear. So you put some in there, you shake it up, which is, as you know, you put food coloring in water and you're going to give a nice bluish kind of hue to the water. Well, this headlight fluid is the same thing. So now we start putting in the blue headlight fluid, and watch this. It doesn't take long at all, and bam, now you've got blue headlights. You can do this with other colors as well, although I'm not sure I would recommend it. You could put red food coloring in there, green, get green headlights, although I don't think that would look very good or be very effective at night. So that's it, folks. I really hope this helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments below. Also, remember, I've got a link in the description to where you can pick this up, because not all stores sell it. But most importantly, what I want to tell you is Happy April Fools. I sure hope that everybody watching this knows this is absolutely a joke. Do not do this to your headlight. If you do, I am not responsible. I told you to watch to the end. But Happy April Fools, everyone. Thanks for being subscribers and members, and look forward to talking to everybody soon.